Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications and we're going to swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. Now in here you should find on one of the pages the screen recording toggle. For me it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will, for the very first time, ask you for a couple different permissions to access things like the recording, to send your notifications, whatever, allow screen recorder to make and send phone calls. Now the phone calls are primarily for the access, I believe, to the microphone itself. So just keep that in mind. Now, once you agree to them, next time around, you will only see this pop up here. And as you can see, we have a couple options in here. So first one from the right is the close button. Then the next one is a microphone, so here you can toggle on the microphone or the system sound, depending on which one you want to record, or both if you want to. And then obviously this is the record button. So right now the device is recording, and whatever application I'll open right now will be recorded by the device. Now I am opening up Netflix for a specific reason, just to kind of show you the fun aspect of not having control over your own device. So anyway, I'm going to close this, and I'm also going to stop the screen recording by selecting the check mark. This will automatically save my screen recording to the Photos application right over here, and it will be visible right at the top. We should also have it somewhere in our albums under, hopefully, screenshots. Yep, so we have screenshots, and you can see it right here. So in a second you will see me open up Netflix, and what I was referring to is Netflix has a little bit more control over your device than you do. So all you get is a big middle finger from them and a black screen, even though, as we clearly seen, there were previews for different movies visible. But Netflix says, no, you're not allowed to use your device this way. We decide what you're going to be able to record. Now that being said, Netflix cannot block your sound, so yeah, at least you can get that from it, but you will have no visual. So if you ever encountered such a recording where you know you had some application open but you get black screen, just know that application can literally block your screen recorder because apparently it knows exactly what you're doing, which seems a little bit intrusive if you ask me. Now, with that being said, that is the screen recording, and also where you can find the later on recorded version of it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.